In today's video, we are going to show you how to refresh Mozilla Firefox. This is a great fix if Firefox is slow, crashing, or acting weird without deleting your bookmarks or saved password. Let's begin. Now, first of all, do not confuse this icon with the refresh button in Mozilla Firefox or pressing F5 on your keyboard. Instead, what I need you to do is go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. And then hover to the Help menu. And then go to the More Troubleshooting Information. This will open a new tab with Firefox support details. Now, for you to be able to refresh Firefox on the right side of the page, just click the Refresh Firefox. Now, click Refresh Firefox again to confirm. Firefox will close briefly and reset itself. What happens after refreshing is that your bookmarks, save passwords, browsing history, and autofill data are kept. However, extensions, themes, and custom settings will be removed. And basically, that's how you refresh Firefox, and it should now feel faster and more stable. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.